Magandang gabi po at narito na ang resulta nating 9 PM Tisas o Lotto results today. Ngayong araw po ng Sabado, May 9, 2026. At para po sa draw natin ngayon ay ang Grand Lotto 655, ang Lotto 642, ang 6D Lotto, ang 3D Lotto, at ang 2D Lotto. At para po sa ating 6D Lotto, 3, 1, 7, 3, 2, and 8 in exact order. And for Lotto 642 sa winning combination na 27, 6, 42, 13, 12, and 4 for the jackpot prize of 10 million pesos in any order. Para po sa update ng Lotto winners, ipinopost ko po siya under our comment section. And for Grand Lotto 655, sa winning combination of 42, 48, 19, 43, 5, and 2 for the jackpot prize of 90,484,406 pesos and 48 centavo in any order. And for 3D Lotto, 9 PM draw, 7, 1, and 2 in exact order. And for 2D Lotto, 9 PM draw, 14, and 25 in exact order. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.